Morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope really well. Just getting ready to check out of my hotel. Stayed a night at the Red Lion. My room got, I think they all come with double beds, but yeah, I had a really good time at Blade Show. Didn't really film a lot because, there really wasn't a whole lot to film. I mean, there were a lot of vendor stands set up. I get to get a couple pictures, mostly just distance crowd shots, but I didn't really talk to, I don't interview, like do interviews and stuff like that. And maybe I could have, maybe next year, who knows. Interviews really aren't my channel thing, so didn't really buy much. I wanted to buy a new knife, but I saw a lot of really great knives, but it was really hard to pick one. I saw a couple from Tops that I was looking at buying, but like I didn't like the sheath on a couple of them. Like I really liked the knife, but I didn't like the sheath, so I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna go back again today. I'm actually gonna go meet some guys from the Oregon Bushcraft page for a brunch today. So when I get out of here, I'm gonna go check out and head straight over there, get some breakfast, which would be good. I'm freaking starving. So it's been really cool. It's actually really nice getting away for the night. So the drive wasn't too bad, not at all. I mean, there were a few dopes in the road. They wouldn't let you pass and whatnot, but that's a whole nother gripe. Definitely looking forward to next year. There's some talk of doing another one in next November. So if all goes well, I'll be attending next year's Blade Show as well. So should be fun. So I got a couple things in my bag, which I'll talk more about later. Wink, wink. And yeah, good times. I didn't really bump into anybody. Nobody kind of people recognized the Hidden Woodsman gear, but they didn't recognize me. I actually found that kind of humorous. It's like, okay, rock on. Like, oh, that's the Eversack, that's the Hidden Woodsman. Like, yeah. Like, no idea who you are. It's like, it's all good. No worries. So, yeah, hopefully next year should be fun. I'm going to go meet the guys for brunch. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.